In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom fields in QuickBooks. Custom fields let you capture the exact details your business needs right on your forms, so you can track, filter, and report on information that isn't included by default. To get started, look to the very top of your QuickBooks screen and click into the main search bar. Type Custom Fields, then select the Custom Fields option that appears in the results. This takes you straight to the place where all your existing fields live and where you can add new ones. Now, click. Add Custom Field. A panel will open on the right side of your screen. This is where you'll set up everything about your new field. Begin by giving the field a clear, descriptive name. Aim for something short and specific so your team knows exactly what to enter, like job number, delivery date, or sales region. Good naming makes data entry faster and reporting more reliable. Next, choose the data type. You'll see options like text and number, date, or drop-down. Text and number allows letters and digits, which is great for codes like ABC 123. Number restricts entries to numeric values, helpful for quantities or percentages. Date gives you a calendar picker to ensure consistent formatting. Drop-down lets you define a list of choices users can pick from, which is perfect for standardizing entries like regions, service levels, or product grades. If you choose drop-down, you'll also see settings for the drop-down category and the list items themselves. Use this to group your choices logically and add each option you want available. Keeping the list focused helps prevent typos and keeps your reporting clean and consistent. After that, select the forms where this custom field should appear. You can place it on the sales and expense forms your team uses every day so the information is captured exactly where it's needed. Only enable it on the forms that truly require it to keep screens uncluttered and data entry simple. When everything looks good, click Save. That's it. Your custom field is now part of your QuickBooks setup and will be available on the forms you selected. Before you wrap up, a couple of quick tips. Decide on a naming convention you'll use for all your fields to keep things tidy. Pick the strictest data type that fits your need to maintain data quality. And if you use drop-downs, plan the list carefully so entries stay consistent over time. You've just learned how to create custom fields in QuickBooks, from finding the custom fields area to naming, typing, assigning forms, and saving your setup.